Hello friends, in previous video we have seen how to automate the iOS and Android apps on emulators and simulators. So in this video I will tell you how you can automate the apps on real Android phones and real iPhones. So first let us start with the Android phones. But before that you will have to make one setting. You will have to enable the developer options in your Android phone. For example, if you're using Samsung Galaxy, you will have to go to the settings, then about, and then you will find build number label. So you have to tap on that build number 7 times and then developer options will be enabled. After that you have to go to the developer options and then enable the USB debugging. So let us see how to turn it on. For that, go to the settings of your Android phone, click on this gear icon and then just scroll down and then click on the developer options. In case developer options is not enabled, you will have to go to about device and then tap on build number more than 7 times. Then this developer options will be shown. Then click on the developer options to enable USB debugging. There scroll down and you will find one setting, USB debugging. So to turn it on, just you have to check this checkbox. That's it. So once the USB debugging is enabled, you will be able to access your device through adb devices command. If you type this adb devices command, your mobile phone or Android phone should be displayed in the list. And after that it's pretty much simple. You can execute the same test if considering that just one Android phone is attached to your Mac PC, and then you can do the automation, like you can launch the apps, you can do whatever operations you want to do. One important thing that you need to remember is that in Android phones the fingerprint scanning will not work. Fingerprint scanning only works in emulators. So that is one thing that you need to remember. Now let us go to the real iPhone automation. Real iPhone automation is a little bit tricky. You will have to send some more capabilities. So let us see what is that. You will have to pass the UDID, unique device ID, of the real iPhone, otherwise it will target the simulators. So pass the UDID. You can find the UDID of your phone using this command, instruments-es devices, and then from there you can find that unique ID of your iPhone. Along with that, you also need Xcode organization ID and Xcode signing ID desired capabilities. So you should pass this. If you create the developer account or if you sign up for the Apple or create the Apple ID, then you will get these things. You can use your Apple ID for the Xcode organization ID capability, and Xcode signing ID can be set to iPhone developer. So here you can see I have used this Xcode signing ID as iPhone developer, and Xcode org ID is my email address, because with this email address I had signed up for the developer account, or I had created Apple ID using this account. And rest of the capabilities remain same. Also given the UDID as well, and rest of the capabilities remain same. So you have to pass these 3 capabilities, extra capabilities, and after that you can execute your tests. When I ran my test on my iPhone 7 Plus, which was running on 13.1.3 iOS version, I got this error because I was using the old version of Xcode. But if you update the Xcode, then definitely the program will execute. You can see here there was an error saying that this iPhone 7 Plus is running iOS 13.1.3, which may not be supported by this version of Xcode. So you need to upgrade the Xcode in that case. Otherwise, the rest of the things are the same. If you have more questions on this, let me know through the comments. Thank you for watching this video.